bought a couple things from Amazon. Let's get this over with. My 10th unboxing video. I'm so excited about this. Okay, I'm gonna try not to waste all my excitement here, because I have a couple things coming from Amazon that's going to blow you guys away. So here we go. It's another Blu-ray, but it's a DVD Blu-ray combo pack. It's Curse of Chucky. Chucky's back and better than ever. Oh, what? Now you're scoffing? Okay. There are some good things about the film. He's back. From the filmmakers that brought you Chucky comes the terrifying return of the pint-sized doll possessed by the spirit of a notorious serial killer. In this story, when a mysterious package arrives at the house of Nika, played by Fiona Dourif, who stars in True Blood, she doesn't give it much thought. However, after her mother's mysterious death, Nika begins to suspect that the talking red-haired doll her visiting niece, Alice, has been playing with. Alice is played by new actress Summer Howell. She's not bad. She's not. Maybe the key to the ensuing bloodshed and chaos. That's right, the return of America's favorite toy, voiced again by Brad Dourif, is unrated. It's 97 minutes unrated, but it's 95 minutes rated. It's unrated and full of more blood-splattered thrills and chills. The Blu-ray exclusives include Living Doll bringing Chucky to life, storyboard comparisons, not available on DVD, and Voodoo Doll, the Chucky Legacy, with additional features, deleted scenes, gag reels, commentary with director Don Mancini, puppeteer Tony Gardner, and star Fiona Dourif, and Playing with Dolls, the making of Curse of Chucky. Delightfully deadly, says James Auster from ArrowInTheHead.com. Anyway, as you read in the title, this is my 10th unboxing. So, I now have films 6, 7, and 8. There's something that I want to show you, but I'll wait until I have it on Blu-ray because one of the discs is a little fucked up. So, yeah. Oh my. This is odd. Okay, first of all, there's the Blu-ray. Yeah, it kind of popped out. Yeah, moist. Now, this is 7 years old, so, you know. Oh, and look at this. Halloween Horror Nights 2013 with an ad for Curse of Chucky. And, of course, this code on the back. Anyone who wants this code, feel absolutely free to just pause the video, write it down, and use it all you want. I do not care. Go ahead. Got it? Okay. And, oh God, I'm not taking this back, but, okay, I technically have another copy of this that actually looks better, but here's the DVD. It's just black nothingness. Seriously, Universal, stop releasing stuff like this. Don't worry, Black Lives Matter. But there you have it. The Curse of Chucky Blu-ray DVD combo pack. And my 10th unboxing. Anyway, so, the next video, I promise I'm going to get to this, will be the top 7 best films of 2009. See ya.